plug tutorial. Let's get modeling. Creating a new part, selecting the front plane for our sketch, create a center line and dimension. Let's roughly sketch the outline of the path plug. Dimensioning is critical. We can link the end of the sketch to the dimension center. Adding some fillets. Revolving the sketch completes the core of our plug. Sketching the top of the plug roughly. Using center lines to center the sketch, making them equal to each other, and by dimensioning the one. Let's use a sketched fillet. The dimensioning and the positioning of the hole can now be done. With the sketch now defined and complete, we can extrude it, centering it by using the mid-plane extrude. Let's round off the edges by using the fillet feature. Finaling the modeling side of the plug. Let's assign a material to the part, rubber, adding a rubber texture. And using one of the new features in Solidworks 2021, we can grab a color off of any image on the screen.